Welcome to the demonstration of the NearFi coupler for contactless real-time Ethernet data transmission. Automated processors run best when everything stays connected. Materials move smoothly between stations and AGVs reliably communicate with machines, often using carriers to position parts accurately. Here an AGV exchanges safety data with a machine using PROFINET over Ethernet. Even during an emergency stop, the communication must stay active. Traditional setups rely on Wi-Fi, but factory Wi-Fi is often overloaded. Because Wi-Fi works only in half-duplex, PROFINET cycles slow down and safety requirements increase. NearFi provides fast, stable, real-time Ethernet at 100 megabit full duplex to keep safety response times low. A base coupler on the machine and a remote coupler on the AGV work without any configuration. Data transfers wirelessly over up to 10 cm and stays unaffected by Wi-Fi. The link is always reliable and cannot connect to the wrong machine. No network planning or special ID setup is needed. The following demonstration shows contactless Ethernet transmission with high tolerance for distance and offset. Power supply and PROFINET controller are installed on the static unit and connect to the base coupler via Ethernet and power cable. On the mobile unit, the remote coupler is installed and connected via power with 24 volt and Ethernet cable to the I/O module. The contactless real-time Ethernet link operates across an air gap of nearly 10 cm. Even with an offset of 2 cm. The greater the distance, the greater the offset tolerance. Transmission works through non-metallic obstacles such as plastic, while metal objects interrupted the 60 GHz link. The connection is re-established within about 400 milliseconds, making it suitable for PROFINET fast startup applications. A running LED on the remote I/Os and status LEDs on all devices clearly indicate the active link. Thank you for watching. We hope today's topic gave you useful insights and new ideas.